forgot to record earlier. That's why I'm recording now. So, yesterday we had a fraction equals a fraction. So we know to cross multiply. Okay? But today, I don't have a fraction equaling a fraction. I've got an expression over here with fractions in it. But how many terms are here, Eva, in this first one? I've got 2 terms, so I can't just cross multiply. Now, Eva, we can do one of 2 things. I think one of them is much easier than the other. I could find a common denominator, change both of these fractions, then put them together, then cross multiply and solve. That's one way. Does that make sense what I said? Okay. I could do that. Or I can do this. Eva, I'm going to make everything in this equation a fraction. Okay? And I want you to look at the denominators. We've got 7, 3, and 1. Okay? What number do all of those denominators go into? 21. So we're going to multiply this side of the equation by 21, and we're going to multiply this side by 21. The reason that we're doing that is we're going to get rid of the denominators. We're not going to work with fractions at all. Okay? Now, Eva, I need to distribute. That's going to give me, don't reduce or anything right now. Let's just distribute it in. Remember, this is 21 over 1, 21 over 1. What do I get when I multiply these first 2?
21x over 7.
Exactly. 21x over 7. I'll deal with that in a minute.
Plus 21x over 3.
21x over 3 is equal to
210 over
210 over 1. I will leave off the 1. Okay. Now, Eva, do you see that we can reduce that? What is
Yes.
that?
That's
3x. What about this?
7.
Plus 7x is equal to 210. You want to go ahead and finish it for us now?
Sure. It is 10x equals 210. And then we divide by 10. 21.
Perfect. Okay. Now let me stop there for a moment. The reason that we found that common number is so that all the denominators would cancel out. So I'm not working with fractions anymore. I just make it nice integer coefficients and just solve for x. Yeah, Cameron.
For the number you multiply all of them by, is that always going to be the answer, or is that just coincidence?
That's just coincidence because there was a 10 over here, you know? I mean, it just so happened on this one. Okay. Any questions about that? Any other questions about that? Feel pretty good? Okay, let's look at the next one.